Why haven't they scored yet?
Oh! What happened, Bob?
Missed the goal!
Bob.
Missed the goal! Yes! What's this?
Mi Laser Projector, a comfortable viewing experience. What happened, Bob?
Just trying to get fit. No room.
Oh, Bob.
Just trying to get fit. No room. What's this?
Mi Laser Projector. With ultra short throw lens, you can set up the projector in almost...
Come on!
What are you doing, Bob?
I was looking forward to a fright night, but the only thing that's scary here is the sound quality.
Bob.
I was looking forward to a fright night, but the only thing that's scary here is the sound quality. What's this?
Mi Laser Projector. With 4 high-power built-in speakers, don't just hear the moment, experience. What are you doing, Bob? Bob? I said, what are you doing?
I just want to replace it with a 100-inch TV screen, so I can have my own personal cinema at home.
Bob.
I just want to replace it with a 100-inch TV screen, so I can have my personal cinema at home. What's this?
Mi Laser Projector. Transform your home into a private cinema with an adjustable image up to 150 inches.